Welcome to Carrie's Ranch. Today I'm going to talk about solar panels. Here's my solar array. I am 100% off-grid, and these solar panels power my garage, my RV. There is an air conditioner in each of these, a heater, some aquariums, so we put out quite a bit of power with these panels. This is the first set of panels that we put up. There are 6 of them here. They got a little crooked because we are in our learning process. These are the next 6 we put up. They're a lot more solid and straight. Next we put up this set of 6 panels, and then we put up another 6, and then a final 6 set over here. This one we tilted more for the sunlight, and we're probably going to end up tilting all of these to that same angle as that last one over there when we have some time. We have these tilted over here so we can get both the winter and the summer light. Here we have used Unistrut to attach the panels and keep them on the ground because we have winds in excess of 100 miles an hour out here, which is probably why there's some windmills out there. And so we've got these stuffed in some concrete, 3 feet of concrete to hold these suckers down. The only problem with tilting your panels down this low is that the snow and the ice is not going to run off of them as nicely. I'll tell you what though, the snow does melt pretty quickly off of these and will run off pretty quickly. It's quite amazing. Here is some of the wiring that we have going from these panels, and they all come over here to our junction box. My box goes underground. It goes right into the garage right there. We use some pretty thick wiring on here, and it is hard to make these connectors when you use a thicker wire. Bought these panels in bulk because we knew we would need so many of them. They came in this really nice crate. Here's a good view of the back of the panel. There's some fine print on the back of the panel there for you. As you can see here, we have 2 cables that attach to the panel. And my only complaint would be that these cables are really short. The wiring's a little neater on this side of our panels because we had a little more experience, so it's not quite as messy as the other side. We use these little nuts and washers and bolts to attach the panels to the Unistrut. As we come up here on the panel, it's got these holes where you can attach it. It was quite a challenge to line these holes up with the Unistrut, so it took us a while to get these installed. Here's some of the Unistrut cemented into the ground. We did dig these holes by hand. Everything here was done by hand, but under here you can kind of see how the Unistrut goes in a little bit. Quite fun project that this is. How much is my power bill? Nothing. I'm off grid. All right, so here you can see the nut in the washer going through the holes here and kind of how it attaches to the Unistrut. The short wire is just fine when you're connecting this close together. We bought 32 solar panels in bulk. It was quite a good deal from SunGold Power. I really like this company a lot. They have some great customer service. Like anytime I need anything, they are very quickly able to answer my questions and be very helpful. These are monocrystalline photovoltaic solar, and we've got 370. So quite good, powerful panels. Been very happy with them.